Hello, how are you today? Okay, we are going to talk about, in this video, moving abroad and leaving a family in your country. How does it make you feel? Maybe you're doubting, makes you doubtful about moving abroad, and certainly makes you feel guilty, a bit guilty, because it seems that you're leaving them behind. So I'm going to share with you 3 questions I believe you can ask yourself and answer yourself in order to make a right decision and have the right mindset for moving abroad and leave the family behind. Hi, my name is Susana and I am your coach. I created Abroad with Susana to support international women living abroad to feel confident and regain their purpose and have a meaningful life, a joyful life, with a lifelong learning approach while living abroad. Okay, what happens so often when we move abroad? Or we are about to move abroad. We are considering the plan, the idea. Maybe, an employer come to your partner or even to yourself and ask, would you like to go somewhere to work with us there for a certain period of time? And then you are thinking like, oh, should I not? Because of course your life is set up wherever you live. And you have doubts. Why do you have doubts? You have doubts because you wish you could split yourself into 2. One, yourself stay home and be there for your family, maybe your parents, your siblings, or your relatives that you are constantly with them, and your friends. Well, your life, right? Your life there. And the other half would be in the adventure of starting a new life somewhere else. So you're in doubt. It's like, should I go? Should I stay? Maybe just my partner should go and I could stay back home with my kids. What can I do? Is it going to affect? You have so many doubts in your head. So ask this question. Visualize yourself. Yourself. 1, staying home, not going abroad. And how does it make you feel? And now visualize yourself moving abroad. Even though you have no idea how it looks like, but the fact that you are somewhere else, how does it make you feel? Is that exciting? Is this thrilling? Is something an adventure that yes, it's going to be challenged, but it's a great opportunity for you as well. Not only for your partner, but for your kids, for yourself to grow. Just compare both and which one is higher in excitement and keeps you alive. Which one? You decide. So the second question, well, it's not a question, it's a statement. When you decide which one of the questions, I ask you, is stronger or keeps you more alive, just make peace with it, in the sense that you have taken that decision, stick with it and make peace with it, because you have decided was the right one. Never doubt yourself. It's like, sometimes when we decide to do something, and then half through it is like, oh, I shouldn't have done this, I should have, No. When you decide something, go over it. Yes, self-doubt might kick you, but it's okay. Continue, it's fine, because you have decided it's the right decision. So make peace with it and know that you took the right decision. And here is the 3rd tip or question for today. When you move abroad and you leave family behind, instead of thinking like guilty or feeling like selfish because you just move abroad, include your family, friends, relatives with your adventure. You can invite them over, and it's a great opportunity to share your experience with them. Like, invite your parents for maybe, a big holidays. Stay over with you while you're settled, and then you know a bit about the country or the city that you're in. Invite them over and be the host and share with them whatever you have learned. It's an amazing opportunity to reconnect with your family in something new. And it's something that you are adding value to their life too. You see, it's not only you who are living an exciting time. They are part of it as well. They don't feel excluded. And with this, I'm not saying that now you are a travel agent or a hotel, or you're hosting every weekend for friends or just acquaintances to come over and visit you, okay? Just keep the boundaries, of course. This is important for your sanity as well, because it can happen. Some people, they're very happy to visit you, but as well it's just, oh look, free accommodation. If it's fine for you, then it's fine. But I'm just saying, keep the boundaries. Set yourself up for what you want to do, not what all the others want you to do. Okay? But yeah, that's the 3 tips for today. Think about what gives you more excitement, what keeps you more alive, staying home or moving abroad. When you have the decision, when you make the decision, stick with it, make peace with it. It's the right one because it's the one you chose. And invite people over, your family, your friends, to share your experience with them while living abroad. Okay, and that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if subscribe to my channel, of course. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And yeah, if you want to work with me as a coach, please, in the description you will find a link to my website, so you can contact me, we can have a chat, or you can receive a 7-day free program in your inbox with more tips about living abroad. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you next week. Bye bye.